Good morning. It's a chilly day and I am at the Country Club of New Bedford and I am going to be covering the women's 4-ball. So time to get some gear ready. And like I always do, every time I pull the stuff out, I always format the cards as I put it in so I don't have to worry about photos from the previous day. So let's get the gear and let's go cover it. The conditions are great if they're in the sun, but a lot of times they're playing in the shade with the hole in the sun, which makes for, tricky lighting conditions. So you have to take all of that into account. I always try to get like something more dramatic and cooler like this photo right here. But this is the advantage of smaller like group play instead of like the big tournaments where you're kind of corralled and you can only do whatever they let you do. In this case, I'm in a golf cart, as you can see, so I can travel and do whatever I want. What I'll do is I'll focus on just two different groupings, so that I'm not running all over the place and making a nuisance of myself. It's already bad enough that I'm, running free. But, you speak to the sports editor and figure out who the best groupings are. And just stick to those two. So in this case, I'm going to probably photograph 3 or 4 holes with this group, and then I'm going to go backwards and try to hook up with the other grouping and see if I can get a couple of cool shots. All right, so they're teeing off over there, so I'm going to try for a long shot. Take a test sample shot, check the exposure real quick. I have no idea where that ball just went, but it landed close by. She had a really white shirt, so make sure you get your readings right. I'm also looking at the background. Like this one right here, if you look, there's a sand trap right behind her head, which is not good, so I'll move over a little bit. That's much better. Oof. The advantage of being way out here is I can stop photographing long before they actually swing, because they can't hear the shutter. Again, same kind of thing here. The road is, oops, I have no idea where that went. So anyway, let's move on to the next pot. All right, just spent the morning photographing golf, and I wish I could show you more, but ultimately what I'm trying to do is get good still photographs. And, there's one of the reasons why I wish I could, do more videos and episodes, but I am a working photojournalist, so anyhow, I'll do my best to give you more content. A couple of new episodes coming up, and thanks for watching. Have a good day.